Vinegar and baking soda.
Don't get me in it.
How do you turn the light on down there?
I'm gonna get her to.
You gotta turn the light on one of these?
Granny, we're gonna have some tea. Come on.
You gotta try this tea, Granny.
Come on, Granny.
Try this tea. Some new.
Have a seat. Should I get her to pour it?
Get her to pour it. Get her to pour it. Because it'll be like she did.
Basically, the update is a CD that I do once a month, sometimes twice.
This is gonna be bad.
Is it? Granny! I know, because
We got some new tea for you to try. Tea. We got this new kind of tea for you to try.
Grab the mug.
And you just pour it into the cup with the powder.
There
You gotta
go.
pour that into there. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta pour it into the cup with the tea. Oh, what's going on, Granny? What happened? What happened? What just happened?